The OneWheel has to be one of the most innovative, entertaining, and intuitive things I have ever ridden. It has become part of my daily commute, and it's the only thing I have ever found that can feel like surfing, skating, and snowboarding all in one. It can also go from pavement to off-road in an instant. The OneWheel can easily reach speeds of 20 miles an hour, but with such ease of riding, can lead to miscalculations. This is why I decided to make this video, because I feel like the OneWheel can be for any age group if ridden properly. Now, I might not have the best tips, but I know I can have some tips to hopefully avoid those crazy nosedives. So let's get on to it. Now, this first clip is overly exaggerated, but pay attention to how I accelerate. My front foot is heavy, my shoulder is leaning forward, my head is leaning forward. This is a good way to get going fast. This is also a good way to eat it though. The board is eventually gonna give out. Now let's compare this to the way I ride now. A lot less front heavy. I'm a little bit more upright. I let my left foot push the board forward, meanwhile letting my back foot raise up, allowing for the board to go forward. I find this way more efficient to accelerate and at less risk of nosediving. I am not a pro OneWheel rider, and I don't claim to be, but I'm trying to help you guys avoid any kind of potential accidents in the future, especially if you find yourself falling more often than not. Give these tips a try and let me know what you think about the video. I feel like this can be a board that anybody can ride. So enjoy it, have fun. This is an amazing product. I would highly recommend it to anybody. Thanks for watching.